inspection of nuclear facilities, which, for instance, the Fukushima disaster in Japan, how do you go into a facility that you used to know and now is completely different and navigate around that safely? So we were trialling with these small drones, but these are extremely small and not big enough to take a payload for a camera and a guidance system. We then demonstrated with this drone how we could fly close to the aircraft and try and use a laser tracking system on the aircraft. And you'll see these little yellow strips on there. That's lightning strikes on the aircraft, multiple. On this aircraft there were over 100 strikes. That's not a problem for the aircraft thanks to Michael Faraday, who told us that if we bomb the aircraft correctly, we will allow it to hit the aircraft and transit out without damage. So again, in our facility, in our training facility up in Luton, we have a cabin trainer, and again we tried with small drones, trying to get this elusive guidance system that can keep it 1 meter away from the surface and move in a controlled manner that's programmable. Ultimately, we want this to be fully automated. We then moved with it, with the tracking system on, and tried to see whether we can collide with the aircraft. And this is the test that we did in an airfield which is in the Cotswold called Kemble, and we got great results from this, and then we moved it along to the next stage, which was a trial in Luton that we conducted a week last Monday. As part of this, we have our own drone, and Mark Bunting, who's over there in the demonstration area, is now our qualified drone pilot, so if we ever want to experiment further with other uses of this, he's available to us. And Mark's gone through the whole process, so he understands all of the issues around how and where you can fly drones. Now this was the hangar automated flight that we did in Luton, and what you're looking at there is 2 infrared lasers that are positioning the aircraft around the A320, keeping it exactly 1 meter away. At the same time, it maps accurately the surface of the aircraft, so we know exactly where the aircraft is at any one time. And on board we have a high-def camera. The high-def camera now gives visible images to engineers to